So you must have seen these type of video on social media, because this single video has gained over 800 million views. And look at this channel. This channel has gained over 1.4 million followers by posting this exact style of content. And every single upload on their channel has millions of views. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these type of video in very simple steps. First, watch the demo, which I made in just 2 minutes with AI.
Action!
So first, open ChatGPT, and here click on More, and then choose GPTs. Now here, search Behind the Scenes, and click on this. Now click Start Chat. Now your GPT will open, and here it will ask you type a city name. You can choose any city name according to your preference, but I'm choosing New York. Now hit Enter. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to choose a disaster type. It will give you plenty of ideas to choose from. Just go through all of them and select the one you like the most, and type its number and hit Enter. Now, it will start generating prompts according to your choice, and it will provide you one image generation prompt and one video generation prompt. You can directly use the video generation prompt in any video generation AI tool, but for best result, follow my exact process. For this, copy image generation prompt and open Flow AI, or you can use any other image generation model. Here, select the image model and choose 9:16 ratio, and select image quantity to 4 and choose Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Once everything is done, simply paste your prompt here and hit Generate. Wait for some time and it will generate all 4 variations. Select any one you like and click on Add to Prompt. Now here, choose Video option and select 9:16 ratio and choose Omni Flash as your video model with your other desired setting. Once everything is done, go back to ChatGPT and now copy the full video generation prompt and go back to Flow AI and paste the prompt here and hit Generate. And instantly Flow AI will start generating the final video for you. Let's watch the result together.
Action!
And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.